something, but.
Okay, just follow your heart. I'm sorry, yeah.
So I'm gonna sound mean, so I don't know.
Well,
Okay,
hold on, stop. So why would you start with saying you want to sound mean?
Like, I'm not gonna sound like, I'm gonna try not to be mean, but.
Well, this is a reflection about how you feel. So how you're feeling like you want to be mean?
Well, no, I'm
Okay,
just saying,
wait.
like, I try to help them, but.
No,
it's gonna sound mean.
I didn't ask for advice. I said, how do you feel? What did you hear? So I don't,
Well, it kind of angers me when they're saying they're gonna kill themselves. Why are you gonna go kill
okay.
yourself?
So
Deal with it.
is that what you feel? You feel angry?
Well, I'm kind of angry, yeah. Why are they gonna go kill themselves?
Okay.
Deal with them, that's life.
So,
That's what makes us.
and some of you have probably heard part of the conversation, but you're way up there. When I walked up to the young lady, what's your name?
Lisa?
Lisa, she said, this may sound mean. And I said, well, hold on before you start. Like, I'm asking you how you feel. So if I know that what I am feeling is going to make somebody else hurt, then I have a choice to make. See, we have the right to feel what we feel. There's no doubt that you have the right to feel whatever thing comes in you that you feel is real. The question is, am I willing to let what I feel hurt somebody knowing that it's going to hurt somebody? That was my question to her. I said, well, is what you're saying intentionally trying to be mean? Like, why would you need to do that? And maybe sometimes we may get to a place where we're feeling things because we've been taught we got to be tough. Nobody let me feel that stuff, so you suck it up. We're trying to toughen people up because we don't even know how to show empathy and love. If somebody's hurting, you could be like, why'd you fall? You're so clumsy. Okay, that's one way. But how about we say, man, can I help you? I fell before once. Can I help you? I know what it feels like to hurt myself or be hurt. Can I help you? So I want you to know that I see you. And I want you to be really thoughtful. And I appreciate you telling me ahead of time because I'm glad I was able to catch it because I think it's so important that we begin to do self-check ourselves. I got a lot of things I usually want to say that don't sound good. And I'm like, Ashanti, that's not the right one. Not the right sentence. Don't say it. I have to decide. It's a mask. Yeah, I got to sometimes be like, you know what? I want to say that, but I'm not going to say that because that's not going to come out the way I really think I want it to come out. And the result is not going to be the result I want. And we're about loving each other. Our world needs more love. And I'm going to appreciate you for speaking your mind. I appreciate you more than you know. But I want you to think about how do we begin to use our words because words are powerful. And maybe nobody ever gave you the chance to speak your words and be heard. I don't know, but I do want you to know that what I want to thank you for today, because this is the best conversation I've had in a long time, because I want you to know that the more that we can get to have a safe place to talk about what we're really feeling, even when it doesn't, I got something I want to say, but it doesn't seem like it's going to maybe, where do you say those things? It's about us growing up, and I so will thank you. Can I give you a high five? Thank you so much.